because usually when you have a crepe maker, there's a way to do it, but let's just see if this actually works. So let's just break an egg and see what happens.
When you're ready, you want to put the dough on and quickly just press it.
Well, hello. It actually works. So this is the Brentwood Appliance Tortilla Flatbread Pita Maker, Model TS127, I'm assuming. So basically this is like a press, right? So you press down, that flattens your dough ball, and well, it works. They provide you with 3 different recipes here as well on how to make it, and today we are not going to follow those. Yeah, we're not making tortillas, we're not making chapatis, we're not making pita bread. Instead, we'll try and see if we can use this as a crepe maker. I'm not sure if it's going to work, but we'll try. So this is a non-stick pad. We have a little misto spray here that we're going to spray, but let's first make our batter. So basically 1 egg, a little bit of flour, some milk, and baking powder. You could put some salt, you could put some sugar in here, protein powder, whatever you want. We're just going to make one of these really quick. Okay, we're almost done. We are going to just lightly spray this on both sides, and we're just going to see what happens because we're not exactly sure if this is going to work. Now I'm going to go and just press this to see if it actually flattens out, because usually when you have a crepe maker, there's a way to do it, but let's just see if this actually works. Pressing it lightly. There's some steam coming. I can smell it already. Let's see what we get. Let's see here. Oh, okay. So something's worked. Well, look at that. It actually works. Well, hello. Just a little practice, but look how quick. So I can definitely see you can make omelets on this, quesadillas, and all sorts of things, and it's pretty quick. Like, look, it's done just like that. So also make crepes on this. So let's just break an egg and see what happens. All right, now we are gonna flatten this down. Okay, so you can see that it's obviously leaking out on one side. They do say that you should break the egg closer to the back because it does obviously come back. Only keep it under there for maybe 30 seconds. Okay, you can see the yolk is running, so definitely a bad experiment, but it's just an experiment. See how long it takes to cook the egg. I would say maybe another 10 seconds. You can see this is rising now. Alright, I don't know if it's working very well. It's a non-stick though. Okay, let's see what happened. Well, definitely not the best thing to make eggs with, but now you know. Stick to crepes, tortillas, flour-based things. So if you're having a party, you want to make quick tortillas or flatbreads, you don't have any, just get some quick ingredients, put it on here, get some regular sauce. Like this is Rogan Josh, and you can basically take this and have nice quick dips, and then just dip it right in and eat it.